Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've gotten a couple of comments on my video that they are finding it difficult to locate where to add address on Pinduoduo app. So that's why I'm making a part 2 of how to add address on Pinduoduo. But before I get right into the video, you guys can see that my face is not shining, like I am not happy because you people are not subscribing to my channel. The other day YouTube sent me their analytics about my channel that 80% of people who are watching my videos are new viewers, and out of that 80%, only 2% of those people subscribe to my channel, and that is very poor, very poor. It's making me feel unhappy because I come on YouTube to drop videos not for myself, to help you guys, and the only way you can return the favor is for you to click on the subscribe button so that the community can grow, so that my channel can keep growing. You understand? So that's the only thing that would like keep encouraging me to keep, making more videos for you guys. Like, it will ginger me. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. When I see people subscribing to my channel, commenting, liking my videos, that will ginger me to like, okay, people want to see more of my content. That's why they are subscribing. So I need to keep dropping more. So if you are a new person in this channel watching me for the first time, I hope that you are going to click on the subscribe button to join the family, to help my channel to keep growing. And at the end of the day, it's all our win. We are going to celebrate together when the channel grows. Okay, guys, that being said, let us dive right into the video. To get started, first of all, you need to go and copy your address from your shipping company website. So I'll be going to Skyjet website, which is my shipping company. Okay, to get the address. Okay, guys. So to get the address, you have to scroll down like this, then click on China warehouse address. Okay. So when you click on it, I want to copy the C warehouse address because I already have the air warehouse address on my Pinduoduo. So I want to copy it. Just click on copy, then it copies. So right now, what we need to do next is to go to the Pinduoduo app. Okay, then click on your profile. Then it brings you here. So take a look at where my name is, Ochase, that place where my name is. There are two arrows there. So just click on the second arrow side. When you click on it, then click on this plus sign, the plus sign at the bottom, the red plus sign. So click on it. Once you click on it, then it's requesting that you want to paste the address. Remember, I copied the address. So that's what it's saying if I want to use the address. So I'm clicking on the red Chinese language. So automatically it has pasted it. It's very easy. Then you click on the red button below to, you know, to save it there. So can you see that it has been saved? So this is basically how to add your address. It's very simple. Another thing I want to teach you is, if after placing an order you realize that you mistakenly use a different address, all you need to do is to click on the order you already made payment for and tap on it. Then you see this red Chinese language up in where the address is. Click on it. I mistakenly placed order using the A address. So I want to change it to C address now. So when you tap on it, then you click on the address so that you can change it. Then click on edit. So it's also popping up this question if you want to use the address I copied earlier before, right? So I'm accepting it now. So you can see it has changed it. You can see it's now showing 99 instead of 88. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope the video is helpful and you know what to do, right? Please don't forget to like it and subscribe and drop comments. And if you have any questions that you don't want to drop in the comment section, you can join my mentorship program that is currently ongoing. So I'm going to drop the WhatsApp link to join the mentorship program in the description. So I'm giving discount to the first 30 people to join the group. So some people have joined. I think about 15 people have joined the group right now. So if you want to join, click on the link, the WhatsApp link in the description below to join the group right now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye.